Frederik here. I'm here with Andy and we're going to talk about one of the principles of good stretching. We're going to talk about the importance of the pelvic position or the ability to roll the pelvis in two stretches. So here we have Andy and he's sitting here in his best pancake, and what we're going to ask Andy is simply, can you roll your pelvis forward? So what we would like is to think about sticking our bum back as far as possible. Really what the pancake should be is a folding of the trunk in between the legs. So it's not about the spine rounding. The spine should stay straight and then it should all come from the pelvis. Now I'm not going to belittle Andy's pancake, but he could have a little bit more pelvic motion. He does get, if you look at his pelvis, he does get a little bit of forward movement, but it could be a little bit better. So let's have a look at what happens if we put a stack of mats under his pelvis. So here we are, and a stack of mats has magically appeared. So Andy, show us what you got. So what you should be able to see is now Andy's pelvis has a lot more freedom of movement and it comes quite a bit further forward. And that's what we want. We want the pancake to be about that folding at the hips. Okay, thank you, Andy. So here we are with Andy and we put him into what's called a couch stretch. Now, deliberately we put Andy into a position that's a little bit too advanced for what's really useful for him as stretching. The thing we want to look at here is, if you look at his pelvis, it's actually stuck back a little bit. Maybe a little bit hard to see, but his pelvis is actually coming forward a little bit. And as opposed to the pancake, here we actually want to bring the pelvis under. So just try that and see if you can bring it under there. And Andy is just stuck. So what we're going to do is just bring his knee forward a little bit. And now look at his pelvic position. Now he can actually bring everything under and get a better stretch. And that should increase the sensation on the quad. If he nods. So there we have, same principle, two different positions. In the pancake it's all about bringing the pelvis forward. Here it's all about bringing the pelvis back. But if you don't have motion in the pelvis, then the stretch is not really going to work for you and you need to find a way to regress it a little bit. So do have a play with that and see whatever stretch you're working on, see if you can figure out what the proper mechanic for the pelvis is in that position.